Hey guys, back with me again at this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your video with a blurry and sparkling effects on CapCut. So you need to add your video to CapCut and then just go to video effects, opening and closing, and then select vertical blur. Okay, this one you can adjust the effects to your liking. I'm going to just leave it as it is and then adjust the effect like almost half or a little bit more than half or your first clip, so it will go like this. Then after that, go to the you need to add the second effects. Still on the opening and closing, select the camera focus to. Okay, this one, and then click on a check icon and put it at the end of the first clip. Okay, let's see first. Then after that, for the second clip, to have a sparkling effect, you need to go to the video effects again, click on the star tab and select crush. Okay, then you can adjust it to your liking. If you don't want the filter on, you can just lower it like this, and you can adjust the sharpen, the range, and also the blur. I'm going to lower the sharpen, I think. Okay, when you're done, just click on the check icon and adjust the sparkling effect align with the second clip. So here is the final result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe, and thanks. Bye.